Welcome back. Today, we go inside Hyundai's secret zone to witness the birth of a track-ready electric beast, the Hyundai Ioniq 5N. Let's build it.
It all starts with raw power. High-strength steel is stamped with precision under thousands of tons of pressure to form our core.
Next, heavy-duty robotic arms lock the underbody framework into place. The solid backbone of this EV monster is now official.
Watch this, the massive side structures slide in, matching the blueprints perfectly. The cabin safety cell is taking shape right now.
Time for the ultimate shield. The bare metal shell takes a deep chemical dive, gaining complete anti-corrosion protection from inside out. Building the front powerhouse, the high-performance electric motor and precision inverter are locked down on the subframe for instant throttle response.
Doors, hood, and the aggressive N-spec tailgate are hung. Every single body gap is measured to the millimeter by laser precision. Dropping the roof panel. Using advanced laser brazing, the roof fuses seamlessly into the body, with absolute zero structural flaws.
Here it is. The legendary Performance Blue matte paint is sprayed on. This signature color officially defines the N-Racing DNA.
Now for the beating heart. This advanced 84 kilowatt-hour battery pack is built with integrated liquid cooling for non-stop track performance.
Upgrading the ride. Electronic-controlled suspension dampers are mounted to deliver track-level stiffness or street comfort at any second. The rear muscle takes position. This massive high-output rear motor features an electronic limited slip differential for absolute drift control. Inside this Performance Blue matte shell, technicians lay down the complex nervous system. Miles of high-tech wiring harness are perfectly rooted.
To isolate cabin noise, thick acoustic insulation layers are bonded directly onto this Performance Blue matte body frame. Pure silence inside.
The massive digital cockpit module is up. Watch it slide effortlessly into the Performance Blue matte cabin and bolt down securely. Uncompromised stopping power. Massive 4-piston calipers and 400mm front discs are bolted on for maximum deceleration control.
Connecting the juice. Thick, high-voltage power cables run from the central pack straight into the front and rear power inverters. The ultimate marriage. The Performance Blue matte body frame lowers perfectly onto the fully loaded electric chassis, bolted and united forever.
The premium cockpit upgrade. Lightweight N-bucket seats finished in Alcantara slide into this Performance Blue matte interior, bolting directly down.
Taking control. The bespoke N steering wheel featuring the signature N-Grin boost button is fitted into this Performance Blue matte machine.
Sealing the perimeter. Precision glazing robots apply structural adhesive, locking down the front acoustic windshield and windows to complete the exterior shell.
Bringing it to life, the iconic parametric pixel LED headlights and rear light bars are integrated and wired for that digital look.
Aerodynamics engaged. The N-exclusive aggressive front bumper with active air flaps and rear diffuser are attached to the Performance Blue matte body.
Flashing the digital brain. Flashing the official N-Performance OS firmware into the ECU, waking up 641 horsepower on the dyno roll.
From a blueprint to a track titan, thanks for watching this incredible journey. Smash that subscribe button right now for our next epic build. See ya!